The Super General front-load washing machines are designed with your needs in mind and deliver unparalleled durability, efficiency, and ease of use. The 6 kg front-load model is a perfect addition to any small household for your daily or weekly washing and drying needs. It is a fully automatic washing machine that is energy efficient and compact in size. The big front door gives you easy access to the inside of the machine, making it convenient to put in and take out the clothes. The bright LED display shows the selected cycle and estimated wash cycle time remaining. 23 pre-configured wash programs make sure you have the perfect settings to deal with any washing challenge that comes your way. The 15-minute quick wash feature is super convenient for daily light washing needs. The drum clean cycle can be selected to dry run the machine without any clothes to effectively clean the drum after wash cycles. You can also select the extra rinse, eco wash, or the self-clean cycle. The delay function can be used to time the machine to start or end the wash cycle at a future time convenient to your schedule. As an added feature, the machine includes an easy-to-enable child lock feature. Business outfits, gym wear, your favorite dress or pair of jeans, we got you covered. Each wash program is designed to deliver optimal and hygienic cleaning for all your needs. Enjoy great washing results while saving on energy consumption with the front-load washing machines from Super General.